I'm Rumesa, not perfect but always shine bright. An 8th grade, Islamabad, balance school fun and a little bit craziness. This reel is actual my topic lesson in content creation because I am learning a 6-month video editing and content creation course from Creative Text by Creative Learning School. My wife, smiling, colorings and teasing happy moments. That means Rumessa living, learning and love life every day.